I'm G.Anusha. I'm going to discuss the topic Introduction to Trigonometry. First, we see the history of trigonometry. The origins of trigonometry is from in Babylonian astronomy and Egyptian pyramids. Hipparchus is the Greek astronomer and he was a father of trigonometry. Aryabhatta discovered sine and cosine. Aryabhatta discovered sine and the cosine. Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi discovered tangent. Abu Alpha Bujain discovered the secant and cotangent. Okay. Now, first we have to know what is trigonometry. Trigonometry, how to pronounce it, what is its meaning? Okay. Trigonometry is pronounced as trigonometry and it is derived from three Greek words. First one is tri and the second one is gonia and the remaining term is metron. Okay, see, this is the word trigonometry. See, this is the word trigonometry. It is pronounced as trigonometry. It is derived from three Greek words and the first one is tri. And the second term is gonia. It is also a Greek word. And the remaining term is metron and it is also called metry. Metron or metry. Do you know the meaning of these three words? Okay, we know the meaning of tri. It is a number, that means 3. Tri means 3 and it is a number. Then what about the second term gonia? It is nothing but an angle. Gonia means an angle. Then the remaining term metron means a measurement. Okay, the total meaning of the word trigonometry means measurement of 3 angles. Trigonometry is the measurement of 3 angles. See here. Trigonometry, it is pronounced as trigonometry and trigon is subdivided into two words. First one is tri and the second one is gonia. Metry means metron. These are three Greek words. Tri means 3 and gonia means angle and metron means measurement. Trigonometry, it is the measurement of 3 angles. Okay, now we come to discuss the topic angle. We have to know what is an angle because trigonometry is an important branch that deals with the relationship between sides and the angles of the triangles. So, we must have to know what is an angle. We commonly define the angle, it is a union of two rays having common endpoint. See, suppose let us consider these are two rays and these two rays are intersecting, or these two rays having a common endpoint, that is this one. See here. We have a point, it is called O, and if we draw a ray that is named as OA, and if we can draw another ray that is named as OB. These are two rays, OA and OB, these are two rays, and here we have an angle. The first ray which is started which was drawn first, it is called a initial ray, and the second ray is called terminal ray. Okay, these are the two rays. First one is initial ray and the second one is terminal ray. When the terminal ray comes linear position to OA, is called a straight angle, because it is look like as a straight angle. See here, commonly we denote the angle by using theta or alpha. See here, this is the straight angle. Okay, we are clear about the straight angle. Then this is the straight angle, and its value is 180 degrees. Its value is 180 degrees. Then what is if the half of the straight angle, what about this? Okay, see, if we divide the straight angle in two parts are same, then this is called, here it makes a 90 degrees angle, so we called it as a right angle. Okay, we are clear about the angle. We have three systems to measure the angles in a triangle. See, the first one is, we have three systems. The first one is sexagesimal system, and the second one is centesimal system, and the third one is circular measurement or radian system. In sexagesimal system, it is also called a British system. In this system, one right angle equal to 90 degrees, then 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, then 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. If we see the second system, this is a centesimal system, it is also called a French system. In this system, one right angle equal to 100 grades, then 1 grade equal to 100 minutes, then 1 minute equal to 100 seconds, and the remaining one is circular measurement or a radian system. In this system, the two right angles equal to pi radians and one right angle equal to pi by 2 radians. We have a common relationship between these three systems, that is 180 by d equal to 200 by g equal to pi by r. What is the ratio or what is the relationship? 180 by d equal to 200 by g equal to pi by r. Okay, we are clear about the angles. Okay, now we are going to discuss what is a triangle. We commonly define the triangle. We commonly define the polygon or a closed figure which is formed by three line segments. See, if I can draw like this, these are three line segments, but it is not a triangle. Why? Because it is not a closed figure. So, the closed figure which is formed by 3 line segments is called a triangle. See here, if I can draw like this, this is a triangle because it has 3 sides and it is completely closed figure. See here, this is one side and this is second side and this is third side. This is a triangle. On the basis of the lengths of the triangle sides is the triangle is subdivided into 3 types. First one is equilateral triangle and the second one is isosceles triangle and the third one is scalene triangle. First, if we can see a triangle ABC, see here, this is triangle ABC. In this triangle, all 3 sides are equal. So, we called it as an equilateral triangle. See here, this is another triangle DEF. Are you observe the difference between this triangle and this triangle? Yes, there is a difference because in this triangle we observe only 2 sides are equal and the third side is different from these 2 sides. If the 2 sides are equal, then we called it as a isosceles triangle. And if I can draw another triangle that is like this, in this triangle all 3 sides are different to each other. So, we called it as a scalene triangle. Are you clear about the types of triangle? Okay, on the basis of the angle there is another type triangle that is called as a right triangle. Do you know what's the shape of the right triangle? Okay, see here, this is the shape of the right triangle. That means this is the right triangle. At R we have right angle, that means 90 degrees. Right triangle is nothing but which contains a 90 degrees value at one of the angle among 3 angles. So, it is called a right triangle. Do you know the parts of the right triangle? Okay, see, suppose we are assume you are at angle Q and you are at angle Q, the side which is opposite to you or which is opposite to angle Q is called the opposite side. And the next one is the side which is adjacent to you is or angle Q is called an adjacent side. Then what about the remaining term? It is called hypotenuse. Do you know the definition of the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is always the longest side in right triangle and it is always opposite to right angle. See here, in this triangle, PQ side is opposite to angle R. That is, at angle R, it is 90 degrees value. So, this is called hypotenuse. See here, this is triangle ABC. You are assume you are at A looking into the triangle. the hypotenuse will always be the longest side and opposite from the right angle, and the adjacent side is the side next to angle A, and the remaining one, the opposite side, is the side that is on the opposite side of the triangle from angle A. Okay, are you clear about the parts of right triangle? Okay, suppose, okay, now we consider we are at angle P. Suppose you just move from angle Q to angle P, then what about the parts of the right triangle? See here, if we take angle P, that means angle is here, then the side which is opposite to angle P is called opposite side. That means this will be the opposite side, and the adjacent side is the side which is adjacent to angle, taken angle is called adjacent side. So, this is adjacent side, and the hypotenuse is constant, it does not change. See here, the person is moved from angle A to angle B, then from angle B, the adjacent side is the side next to angle B. From the angle B, opposite side is the side that is on the opposite side of the triangle. Okay, are you clear about the parts of right triangle? Are you clear? Okay. Next, our topic is trig ratios. We have three basic trig ratios. These three basic trig ratios are totally depends on right triangle. See here, if we take triangle ABC like this is angle A and this is angle B, this is angle C. At C, we have 90 degrees. If we take angle A to form the three basic trig ratios, we take angle A as a angle, then the side which is opposite to angle A is called opposite side. So, this is the opposite, and the side which is adjacent to angle A is called an adjacent side. So, CA will be the adjacent side, and the remaining one, it is the longest side and it is also opposite to right angle. So, it is called a hypotenuse. AB is the hypotenuse. The first ratio we can form, first one is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse, and the second one is adjacent side by hypotenuse. And the remaining and the last term is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, these are the three basic ratios, but how those are called? Each of the ratio has a name, and the name is also refers to an angle. First ratio is defined as sine of an angle. We commonly written sine A, because we take angle at A. So, we written as sine A. If we take an angle at B, then we call it as sine B. Okay, now we are take the angle at A. So, it is sine A is opposite side by hypotenuse, and the second term is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Its name, what's its name? Do you know? It is the cosine of angle A. We commonly written as cos A. Okay, cos A equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse. Then what is the remaining term? It is opposite side by adjacent side. It is a tangent of an angle. That means we commonly written tan A. Tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, these are the three ratios. What is that? First of all, sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse and cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse and tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. See here. Using angle A to name the sides. Here we use angle A because to name the sides. We can use the lengths of the sides of a right triangle to form ratios. There are three different ratios that we can make. First one is opposite by hypotenuse, the second one is adjacent by hypotenuse and the third one is opposite side by adjacent side. Then if we take angle B, then what about the sides? Okay, there is a difference because if we take angle B, CA will be the opposite side. This is the opposite side and BC will be the adjacent side. Then if we take, we written as sin B equal to, what is opposite side here? CA. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Then cos B equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then tan B equal to opposite side by adjacent side. If we observe, if the angles are changed, then there is no change in the ratios. The ratios are still the same as before. Okay, are you clear about this? Okay, but it is too difficult to remember the process. Do you know how to remember this to form these three basic trig ratios? If there is any way, here is a way. See here, SOHCAH and TOA. It is pronounced as SOHCAHTOA. If in this term we can subdivide it into three parts. First one is so and the second one is ca and the third one is to. What is this? Do you know? See here. Each of the three ratios has a name. SOHCAHTOA. Here is a way to remember how to make the three basic trig ratios. Identify the opposite side and adjacent side and hypotenuse of the appropriate angle. See here. This is the, if we take in this triangle, if we take angle A, then this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. So, we are identified. SOHCAHTOA is pronounced as SOHCAHTOA and it means Sine is opposite over hypotenuse and cos is adjacent over hypotenuse and tan is opposite over adjacent side. See here. Here S means sine and O means opposite side and H means hypotenuse. And in this term C means cos and A means adjacent side and H means hypotenuse. And in this term T means tan is, O means opposite and A means adjacent side. Okay, the total meaning is sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, tan is opposite over adjacent side. Okay, if we put the underlined words or the underlined letters to form the word SOHCAHTOA. Okay, see here, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse and tan is opposite over adjacent. Put the underlined letters to make SOHCAHTOA. Okay, we have some examples. If we take triangle PQR like this, this is the angle P and this is the angle Q and this is the angle R. If we take angle P, first we take angle P. First of all, we have to find the names of the sides. Hypotenuse will always the constant term, it does not change, and adjacent side, which is called adjacent side, do you know? The side which is adjacent to appropriate angle is called adjacent side. Here we take angle P, so PR is the adjacent side. And the side QR is the opposite to angle P. So, this is opposite side. Okay, we are identify the parts of the triangle. First of all, we have to remember SOHCAHTOA. It is SOHCAHTOA because we have to form three basic trig ratios. Here we take angle P. So, first of all we written the first ratio is sine of an angle P. We simply written sine P equal to opposite over hypotenuse. First we take the lengths of the right triangle. PQ is PQ length is 12 centimeters. Here PR length is 12 centimeters and QR length is 16 centimeters and PQ length is 20 centimeters. Sin P equal to, what is sin value here? Sin is opposite over hypotenuse. What is opposite side here? QR is the opposite side. So, 16 by 20. This is the ratio of the sine of an angle P. Then cos of an angle P, cos P equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 20. And the remaining term is tan of angle P, tan P equal to it is opposite over adjacent side, that is 16 by 12. Okay, are you clear about the angle? Okay. If we move the angle P to angle Q, then this will be the opposite side and this will be the adjacent side and this will be the hypotenuse. We commonly written sin Q equal to, what is opposite side here? PR, its value is 12. Hypotenuse value is 20. Then what is the adjacent side here? Because we have to form cos of an angle. 16 by 20. Do you know what is the remaining term? Yes, it is tangent, tan Q equal to, what is the tan ratio? Opposite side over adjacent side, that is 12 by 16. Okay, are you understand the difference? Okay, are you clear? Yes. Then you see here, first we will find the sine, cosine and tangent ratios for angle P. Remember SOHCAHTOA. If we take sin P, its value is 16 by 20. If we take cos of P, its value is 12 by 20 and tan P equal to 16 by 12. Next, we will find the sine, cosine and tangent ratios for angle Q. Sin Q equal to 12 by 20, cos Q equal to 16 by 20, tan Q equal to 12 by 16. Okay. Do you know similar triangles? What are similar triangles? The corresponding angles and sides, if the triangles are which contains corresponding angles and sides are equal is called similar triangles. See here, if we take two triangles, first one is triangle PQR and the second one is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is smaller than triangle PQR. If we take angle A, then this will be the opposite side and this will be the adjacent side. And if we take angle Q, this will be the opposite side. And this will be the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. The sides are, the PR length is 12, QR length is 16 and PQ length is 20. In this triangle, BC length is 3 and AC length is 4 and hypotenuse length is 5. Are you clear? Okay. Can I rough it? These are the two triangles. Remember SOHCAHTOA, because we have to prove these two triangles are similar to each other. See here, if we take the small triangle, it is ABC, we take appropriate angle is A, then sine of angle A, sine A equal to, what is opposite side here? Yes, BC. What is hypotenuse here? AB. What is the length of BC? It is 3 centimeters. Hypotenuse is 5 centimeters. So, ratio is 3/5. And the second one is cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the length of the adjacent side here? 4 centimeters. And the hypotenuse value is 5 centimeters. And tan Q, tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. It is 3/4. The ratio is 3/4. Okay. These are the three ratios of this triangle ABC. Okay. If we take the another triangle, that is PQR. If we take angle Q, this side will be the opposite side and this side will be the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. Sine of angle Q equal to, what is opposite side here? Yes, PR. What is its length? Yes, 12 centimeters. And hypotenuse value is 20 centimeters. We cancel this one and this one as 3/5. 4 3s and 4 5s. So, the ratio is 3/5. And if we take cos Q, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, 16/20, and we cancel it by 4th table, 4 4s, 4 5s, that is the ratio is 4/5. The ratio is 4/5, and the remaining one is tan Q equal to, what is the tan ratio? Adjacent, opposite side by adjacent side. It is 12/16. We cancel it. That is 3/4. If we can observe, these are the same ratios. These ratios are, the values are same. Sin A equal to sin Q, and cos A equal to cos Q, and tan A equal to tan Q. So, we confirm the triangle So, we delete that triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. See here, there are three triangles are given. They are similar triangles. Since ratios of corresponding sides are the same, and let's look at the three basic trig ratios for these two triangles. Sin Q equal to sin A, cos Q equal to cos A, and tan Q equal to tan A. So, triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, I want to question you. I want to ask you some questions. Are you ready to answer to me? Yes. How to pronounce the word trigonometry? Yes, it is pronounced as trigonometry. Trigonometry. Okay. What is an angle? Do you know? Yes, an angle is the union of two rays having common endpoint. Do you know the Euclid statement? About an angle, he states that an angle is the inclination of two rays corresponding at two lines corresponding or intersecting. What is that? The inclination of two rays intersecting at a point. What are the three systems to measure the angle? Yes, the first one is sexagesimal system. And what is its another name? Yes, the British system. What is the second system? Yes, centesimal system. The third system is the radian system. What is the ratio of these three systems? Yes, 180 by D equal to 200 by G equal to 1/8 pi by R. In radian system, what is the value of one right angle? Yes, it is pi by 2 radians. Do you know the properties of similar triangles? See here, these are the properties of similar triangles. Triangles are similar if the ratios of the lengths of the corresponding sides are the same. Triangles are similar if they have the same angles. All similar triangles have the same trig ratios for corresponding angles. Okay. What is the way to remember the formation of three basic trig ratios? Do you know? Okay, it is the SOHCAHTOA. It is the process to form three basic trig ratios. Okay, now what is triangle? Do you know? Yes, the closed figure which is formed by three line segments is called triangle. Do you know what is then right triangle? Yes, the triangle which contains 90 degrees value at one of the angles among three angles. Do you know what is an equilateral triangle? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello friends, my name is Shailaja from 2nd MPC.
Friends, say loudly.
Okay, my name is Shailaja.
Okay friend, what is your doubt? Please tell me.
I am asking some question.
Okay, I am ready to give you answer.
Okay, what is the difference between equilateral triangle and stellar triangle?
Equilateral triangle means the triangle which contains all sides are equal. Then scalar triangles means all three sides are different from each other. Okay, are you clear? Friend? Okay, thank you. Okay friends, similar triangles. Do you know what are similar triangles? Yes, the corresponding sides are equal, then those two triangles are called similar triangles. What are the three Greek words? Do you know? Please tell me. Yes, first one is tri and the second one is gonia and the third one is metron. What is the meaning of the word gonia? Yes, it is nothing but an angle. What is the measurement in the Greek word? Yes, that is metron. Okay, I want to ask you some questions. Are you clear? Are you ready to answer? Yes. First one is, hello? Hello friend?
హలో
చెప్పండి సార్.
నేను ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను, సమాధానం చెప్పండి.
చెప్పండి సార్.
వాట్ ఇస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ సైన్?
Sir, saying clear sir. Say clearly.
What is the complementary of the angle sin?
45 degrees, sir. Okay. Do you know what are the corresponding angles? Okay, see here, side CA is corresponding to side QR. So, side CA is similar to QR. And okay, next we will find if we will see the trig ratios. What are the three basic trig ratios? Yes, sin A and cos A, and if we take angle A, then first one is sin A and the second one is cos A and the third one is tan A. Okay, do you know who is the father of the trigonometry? Yes, the Greek astronomer who is called Hipparchus. He is the father of the trigonometry. The origins are the origins of the trigonometry from Babylonian astronomy and Egyptian pyramids. So, the trigonometry is the basic trigonometry is coming from the Babylonian astronomy and the Egyptian pyramids. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Cheppandi.
Hello, friend.
Cheppandi, friend.
My name is Priyanka from Arkveli.
Cheppandi.
I want to ask one question.
Please ask, friend.
Who is the father of trigonometry?
The Greek astronomer who is called the Hipparchus. His name was Hipparchus, friend. Okay. Hipparchus was the father of trigonometry. Hello? 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 Sir, Cheppandi, sir. Hello, sir. Okay, this is the introduction to trigonometry. Are you clear? Okay, thank you.